Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you 3 ways on how to add an app to run automatically at startup in Windows 10. To add an app to run on startup automatically, follow these steps. Select the Start button, select Settings, click on Apps, then click on Startup. Turn on any apps you want to run at startup, and disable any apps that you don't want to run at startup. Or right-click on the Start button, select Task Manager, select the Startup tab. Then select the app you want to change, then select Enable to run it at startup or Disable so it doesn't run. The third method is by copying the shortcut to the Startup folder. To do this, select the Start button and scroll to find the app you want to run at startup. Right-click the app, select More, and then select Open File Location. This opens the location where the shortcut to the app is saved. If there isn't an option for Open File Location, it means the app can't run at startup. With the file location open, press the Windows logo key +R, then type shell:startup, then select OK. This opens the Startup folder. Copy and paste the shortcut to the app from the file location to the Startup folder. After applying any of these 3 methods, the apps you enable will automatically open at the startup. This covers how to add an app to run automatically at startup. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.